Good morning, YouTubers. Welcome back to my channel, Mad Brad's Customs. That's right, been building this 32 two-door rat rod. Give you a little bit of update here. I bought some material from a boat manufacturer that's built right here in South Carolina, kind of locally. This is just some stuff that they get rid of, and can't beat it for making seats for this thing, because guess what? It's the right color, it's padded, and it also holds up to weather. Anyway, for 15 bucks, can't go wrong there. So let me show you just what I've done in this rat rod. I've already built my seat bottom. Let me swing you around here. I think that'll end up looking pretty good. There it is. Yeah, I'm gonna work today in this rainy day on the backs for these seats. And then the next thing I want to tell you is I got my fuel tank put in. Building the top support for it now. I'm working on that. I'm gonna get ready to show you. Air pumps in, all my air lines are hooked up, and wiring's done, batteries in, and wow, look at this here. Brake pedals are in and done. Wasn't much room to work in this thing, so I've had to do some modifications. As you see, I cut out a whole big section and moved some of this nice work that Clayton had done, stretched it out straight instead of on an angle. If you understand any of that, that's okay. Doesn't matter. All I got to do is now put my dash pod there back in. Got my air pressure gauge over there and a voltmeter gauge over on that side. Bought a steering wheel. Of course, we came with the steering wheel with the quick release. So you can get out your way so you can get out the baby. All right. A little bit of what I'm doing. This is the mount that I'm making. That'll hold the top of that tank, give it some strength. Now I just took the old grinder right there and made some hashing marks all over it, just so it doesn't look like plain Jane old aluminum. And as you know, I use anything and everything I got. This is still some metal off the pontoon log that I did on my boat. Section I cut out of it, shorten it. And I'm thinking about just running some good trim around that, all the way around. The split, hide it up here at the back side. The split will be back there. And maybe paint it black, maybe not, I don't know, see what it looks like. But anyway, I know I hadn't posted here lately. Been kind of busy doing a lot of things. Front ends together. Brakes are all done. Well, let's throw it on the ground. All right, hang in there. There we go. I put my twins up front. Yeah, I don't know. Stupid, I don't know. I bought these things. I think they were limey green when I was building a couple of choppers, and I thought I'd use them. I painted them white, and they've been sitting around a while, kind of beat up, so kind of wanted just to put them on the front of this here rat rod. I think it'd be all right there. But yeah, we're coming along strong. It won't be another day or so. This thing will be on the ground and running. And I mean, this baby's a ground pounder. I'm gonna tell you, it's about 1 inch off the ground with the bags out. It is a low, and I love it. Anyway, remember, everything I do to have fun, play with, and to sell. So you're looking for you a rat rod that's gonna be nice to drive and have fun with and take to car shows. This one here is for sale. Anyway, enjoy this nasty weather right here. Uh-oh. Here we go. Don't forget, like, subscribe. We are out.